Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Lilac. In this channel, I'll be teaching you guys how to make money using cryptocurrency through trading on both futures and the spot trading. So do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today we'll be talking about the trading view, the tools in trading view, and how you can use it to analyze your market properly. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So if you don't have trading view, you can go to App Store or Play Store to download it, and I will also drop a link in the description of this video. You can just click on it and get yours from the link. So moving on, this is the trading view. This is how the app looks like. So I'll just go ahead now and open it. So when I open it, you'll be greeted with this interface. So you just have to sign in using your email, your Apple, or your Google. You can as well sign in with your social media accounts such as X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the Yahoo Mail. So I will just go ahead and click on my email, which is this one. So because I already have an account, I will just go ahead and click this one, which is already have an account, sign in. I'll just click on it. Then go ahead now and click on the email. Then I'll just fill my email here. So already I have an account already on the trading view, so that's why it's already suggested an email account. So this is the email that I used in signing in before. I'll just go ahead and click it. Then I will verify it and I will sign in. So I'm in already. So these are the coins that I've already selected on my watch list. So that's why it just take me directly to this interface. So right now, let's say we want to analyze a trade. So these pairs here are my watch list. Let's say we want to analyze a trade. Let's say we want to analyze a LTC slash USDT. So it is for future. So whenever you want to analyze a trade on future trading, it must have a P at the end. So that P signifies perpetual, which means that a particular pair is for future trading. So let's just go ahead and search for LTC. Just click on this plus sign here, then you type LTC. So I'm gonna just scroll up to look for the particular pair. So normally for me, I use Bybit to trade. So this is the pair here, as you can see, LTC USDT.P. That's LTC USDT perpetual. So I'm just gonna to open it. Then once you open it, you click on it. Then you come down here to this square. You click here. Then the interface will just take you to the chart interface and show you everything you need to know. So here is the candlesticks, which is the chart. So let's say I'm not comfortable with this color here. Let's say I want to change the color of the candles. So I will just come down, click on these three dots here. When I click on it, I will go to chart setting, which is here. Then it will bring me to this interface. We just see symbol, color bars based on previous color, body, borders, wick, precision time zone. So this is the particular place that we're going to select the kind of color that we want on our chart. So let's say I want to choose lead for the bearish candle. So I will just select lead for all of them. Okay, so as you can see, all the bearish candle has turned to red color. So this is how you can change the candle color to any color of your choice. So moving on, this zone is for the price of this particular pair, which is LTC USDT. All these zones here, this price is here, and the price is, while this one now is the current price with the time that each candle is forming. So this candle now is remaining 4 minutes 21 seconds for this candle to completely formed. So this zone right now, if you can see, I just click on my screen. So the down part, which is this one, is the time and the date of this selected zone. So let's say we select this candle, this current candle now. So this current candle now, today is Thursday, 23rd January 2025, and this particular candle now is forming at 1:30 p.m. New York time. So moving on, this is the current price movement of this particular pair. Then this is the pair, the name of the pair you're trading, LTC USDT perpetual contract. And then this is the data range, the date range. So date range simply means the time frames that you're trading. We have the 1 day time frame, the 5 days time frame, we have 1 month, we have 3 months, we have 6 months, we have seconds, we have we have 5 seconds, we have 10 seconds, we have 15 seconds. This is minutes, we have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. So that's how it works. Once you want to select anyone, you just click on it, then it will take you to that particular time frame. Let's say we want to go to 1 hour time frame now. We'll come down here, then we look for the 1 hour time frame, which is this one. We click on it. As you can see, we are in 1 hour time frame now. So this simply means that each candle takes 1 hour. Each candles that forms here takes 1 hour to form. So that's it. So moving on, here is the watch list. This is the place that you can select and add any pair that you want to trade. You want to add them BNB USDT. You will just come down here. You just come up here on this plus sign. You click here. Then you select the particular pair you want to add. You search for it, BNB. So I will just scroll up to look for the particular one. So here is it, BNB USDT perpetual. I will just click on this plus sign here, then added to watch list. So let's check whether it is added already or not. We click on it. Sorry guys. So let's go back to our watch list. You just come here, you close it, and this is it here. As you can see, it has already reflected in our watch list. And when you want to open it to the chart, then you just click on it. You come here, you click on this place again, you just have to wait for it to load. So here is it. As you can see, it has already changed from LTC USDT perpetual to BNB USDT perpetual contract. So that's how it works. So moving on, let's say you want to draw or you want to analyze this market now. You can pinch on your screen to zoom in, zoom out. To move it, you can just drag on your screen. So that's how you will move around the chart. So let's say you want to draw a trading line on this particular chart. You just come down to this place that there is a pen sign. You click here, then you will see all the tools, drawing tools. So those ones that I start are my favorite. That is the ones that I often use when analyzing the market. So these are the whole tools in trading view. But it's not a must that you need to know everything here. You just have to select the ones that is important to you, the ones that you know you're going to be making use of when analyzing the market. Then you can as well start it like my own. Let's say you want to start anyone like this XABCD pattern. You just click and hold, then you see add favorite, then you click add favorite, it will just start. So that's how you can add a particular tool to your favorite tool. And when you want to remove it as well, you can click and hold it again. You see remove from favorites, you click here, so it will be removed. So as you can see, we have the trend line, we have the long position too, we have the short position too, and we also have the fib retracement too. We have the layer, we have the fib retracement too again. It will start because I selected it on my favorite. So here are the drawings. So you can use this to measure your chart, to lock the chart, drawings to lock it again. So here, favorite on chart, magnet, hide. Let's say there's a drawing on your chart and you want to hide it, you just click here. When you click on it, it will hide the chart. So we still get to that. So erase to erase the drawing, remove all the drawings on your chart. So moving on, this trend line is used for drawing line. Let's say we want to draw a line on the chart, maybe a trend line. So we just highlight it, you click here and it will show. Then you take your cushion to the particular point you want to draw your trend line from. So let's say we want to draw from this higher low. You just click here, you drag it to wherever you want it to go to. When you reach that point, you tap on the screen, then it will highlight it. So that's how you can draw a line. And let's say you want to make this line bigger, small, dot or dash, you can just click on it to be highlighted. So when you want to make it bigger or small, you just come to this place that they load 1px. You click here, you select the particular size you want, as you can see. So that's how you make it bigger or small. So we just go back to the 1px. So as you can see, so let's say you want to change the color, you just come to this place that has a pen sign, you click here, you change it to any color of your choice, to any color you wish, you can change it to. So that's how you can change the trend line color. So let's say you want to change the design either to dash or dot, you just come to this sign, you click here, you see dot, Let me just remove this. You see dot dot dash dash. So that's how you can change the design. So let's say you want to delete it, you just come to this delete sign, you click here, it will be deleted. Sorry guys. So let's say you want to add a text to this particular line, so you just have to click here. You just double tap it. When you double tap it, then it will take you to this zone. You will see styles, you will see text, you will see coordinates, you see visibility. So normally you don't have any business with visibility, coordinates and styles. You just want to add the text to that particular trend line. Just click here, then you come here. Let's say you want to add boy to it, so I'm gonna write boy here, write boy, click here, then you just come down here and click OK. So this center means that you want this text to be in center of that line. Then this middle as well means that you want it to be at the middle. So text alignment. So if you want it to be at the top, you can as well select it. Bottom, you can as well select it. So left means that you want it to be at the left end. Then right means that you want it to be at the right end. So for me, I prefer my text to be in the center, so I'll just leave it on center and click OK. So as you can see, the boy has already added to our line. So that's how you can add line. You can add the text to your trend line. So, and if you want to delete it as well, you just click on it, it will be highlighted. You come here, you click on delete, so the line will be removed. So we select the tools again. Yeah, let's look for another important tool. So we have text. Yeah, I've already explained what text is used for. It's used to write something on the chart. So let's say you want to write something right now. You want to add a text to the chart. Let's say higher high. Higher high. Sorry guys. Just higher high. It is a sign that the market let's put it here. It's a sign that the market is a sign that the market is, sorry guys, I'm just trying to put a text, so let's just reduce the text, yeah, so that we can be able to write. So higher high is a sign that the market is in an uptrend. Yeah, so this is the text. Click OK. If you want to make it bold, you can click here to make it bold. So here is to select the size that you want. So you can add a border to it, a background to it, sorry, then a border. So I don't like to add a background or a border. I'll just leave my text like that. Then I will click OK. So as you can see, here is the text. So let's say we want to change the color of this text. You just come here, You select any color of our choice. As you can see, it has already reflected. If you want to reduce the font size, you come here, as you can see 8. So that's it. And if you want to delete it, you click on it, then you come here, you click delete, then everything will disappear. So that's how you can use the text too. So moving on, we'll go back again to the pen sign to look for another 2. So here is the horizontal line. Let's know what it's used for. So we just click on it to select it, then we drag our cushion again. Let's say we want to draw it on this point here. You just tap on it. So this horizontal tool, it is an infinite line, so it has no starting point or ending point. So anywhere you drag your chart to, it will be there with you. So that's how it works. So it is normally used for those that are trading support and resistance strategy. So it is they often use it very well. So that's it. If you want to make the line bigger or small, you just highlight it, you come here, you see 1px, 2px, 3px and 4px. So I'm just going to reduce it back to 1px. And if you want to change the color, you come here again, you select any color of your choice, you select any color that you want it to be. So that's it. And if you want it to be either dash dash or dot line, you come here again, you select, and if you want to delete, you click here, so it will be deleted. So moving on, let's select another 2. So you come down here again. Let's say we want to long this trade for a long position 2. You click here, that is the long position 2. Then you select your quick shot to that place as well. Any points you want to long your trade from, let's say we want to long from the current market price, you just click here, you tap on it, and the long position 2 will appear. So you can pinch on your screen to the particular size you want. You can zoom in again, you can move, just slide your hand on your screen. You can slide left or right to move your screens around. So this is the long position 2 here. So let's say we want to change the color to any color of our choice. Let's say we want to make it to be the same, sorry about that guys, to be the same with the color of our candlesticks. You just highlight it, you click here, then when you highlight it, then you come to this place, you tap here, then let's say the first one is saying red, it's green, that is for bullish candle. Just look for green, So let's say we want to change this one to red, which is the bearish candle, that is for the stop loss. You click here, you come here, as you can see, it has already reflected in our chart. So it's as the same as our candlestick. So that's how you can change the color of the position too. So, and as well, if you want to change the color for the text, this is where you can change the color for the whole text written there. So that's how it works. So moving on, and if you want to delete it, you can come here, you click here, it will be deleted. So that's how to use the long position too. And the same thing is applicable to the short position too. Let's say we want to use the short position too, you click here again, you come to the short position too, you click on it, then you now drag your short to anywhere you want it to any point you want it to be. You click here. Then this is the short position too. Here, if you want to drag it to any size, you click on this sign here, this circle and square. You just click on it, click hold, then you will drag it to anywhere you wish. So that's how it works. And as well, if you want to change the color again, you click here again, you come here, you tap here, you click here. As you can see, the color is changing. So that's how it works. So, and if you want to delete it as well, you click here, it will be deleted. So moving on, we go to the pen tool again, and we scroll up. And the next tool here is the fib retracement tool, which is this one. You click on it again, and you drag your cushion to any point you wish. Let's say we are shorting this market and we want to measure this market using the fib retracement tool. We just put it on this higher low, then we click it, then we'll drag it to any zone we wish. So you guys already knows that this point is known as discount zone. Why here? Sorry, this point is known as premium zone. Why here is known as discount zone. So in terms of a downtrend market, so let me just add text to it. Let's say we want to add text here on this fib retracement tool. We just click on it, then we come down here again to this pen. We now scroll to search for text. So here is the text tool. As you can see, it is already highlighted as my favorite tool. I'll just click on it, then I will tap, on the text to add my text, and I will just write premium. I'll just drag it here. So that's it. I just put premium zone. Sorry guys. So that's it. As you can see, it has already reflected. So that's it. And as well, if you want to write for this one again, which is our discount zone, you come to this pen sign again, you click here, then you search for text again, which is this particular one. You click on it, then you drag your cushion to the particular zone you want to write it, then you tap. Sorry guys, made a mistake. Let's select it again, click on it, you can here, we add our text, discount zone. Sorry guys, discount zone. So that's it. As you can see, the text has already reflected. And as well, if you want to change the color, you can come here, you click here, you change it to the color of your choice, as you can see. So that's how it works. So initially, if you open your trading your Fibonacci retracement tool, so it will not be like this. I'm the one that set my own to this. So you will see a bulky text with a large item on it. So if you want to change your own, you just click on it, you tap on it 2 times, you double tap, then you will see style, coordinate, visibility. So you just come down to styles. You can as well screenshot the setting that I use for my own. So I ticked 0, 0.5 and the 1. The zero is the down part, which is the discount, while the 0.5 is the 50%, also known as the equilibrium, while the 1 is the highest point, which is the premium point. So that's it. So you can as well screenshot the settings that I use for my Fibonacci retracement too. So I'm just going to explain it to you so that you understand how it works. So here is discount zone, here is premium zone. So if I'm so short this market, anything that falls into this premium zone, then I'm free to short. But if it is on this discount zone, then shorting on this discount zone is at risky, because market can just react to this a little and start pushing out. So you cannot go to the market and start buying something, and start selling something when the price is very low. So you just have to wait when the price is high, then you can sell in order to make profit. And the same thing is vice versa. So you cannot go to the market and start buying something when the price is very high. So you can wait. If the price comes down to discount zone, then that's where you can start long in the market. So that's how it works. So let's say we want to long this market now. You just select your fib 2 again. This is our fib 2. You select it. You come down to the lowest low, which is lower low. You click here. You drag it to the highest point. So here now is the discount. Here is the discount. Here is the premium. So that's how it works. This is 0.5, which is 50%. This is 1. Then this is the 0, which is the premium zone. So that's how it works. So moving on now, if you want to delete the fib 2, you click on it, then you come here, you delete it. So, and if you want to delete the text again, you click on it, you delete. So that's how it works. So moving on, let's select another two. So you come down again, you click on the pen sign, then you look for the particular tools. So let's check out this parallel channel. We click on it. So mostly this parallel channel is used to mark out a particular zone. Maybe let's say you enter the trade and you have a wide and SL, so you can use the parallel channel to minimize the size of your SL. Or when you want to divide a candle, let's say you have a very big candle and you want to divide it into two, or maybe you have a very big fair value gap and you want to divide it into two, you can use the parallel channel line to divide it and minimize the size of the candle or fair value gap. So let's say we want to minimize this fair value gap now. From this point to this point, you just click on this candle, then you tap on your screen, you draw your line to any point that you wish to end, then you click on your screen again, then you drag it down, then you tap on your screen again, so it will be highlighted. So as you can see, this particular fair value gap here, from this point to this point, so we now have the center. So you can select your entry. You can place your entry from this center. So ICT used to call it consequent encroachment. Sometimes when you want to enter a trade, the trade can just come, the market can just come, tap on the midpoint of your fair value gap and start moving, so thereby making you to miss your entry. So you can use this parallel channel too to minimize your entry and the OSL instead of missing the entry. So it will help you to get a perfect entry as well. So that is what it is used for. So let's say we want to change the color as well. You click on it, you come here, you click, you change the color to any color of your choice. Let's say we want to change the background, that is the inside color. You click on this one, you change it to any color that you wish. So that's how it works. And if you want to delete it, you come here, you click here, and it will be deleted. So that's how the parallel to channel works. So moving on, guys, we also have the rectangular tool, which is this one. So here is the rectangular tool here, this particular one. And you want to select it, you just click on it, then you drag your cursor to any point you want. So normally it is used to mark an order block, a point of interest, a supply and demand zone, and you can as well use it to mark out support and resistance. So let's say we want to mark this order block now. Just click on it, then we drag it to complete the full candle, but the wick. So you move it to any point you want, and you tap on your screen again, and it will be released. So let's say we want to add a text inside this rectangular tool. You just tap on it, you double tap on it 2 times, then you come here, you see text, you see styles, text, coordinate, visibility. So I don't have any business with style, coordinate, visibility. I just want to put a text on it, so I will just come here, then write whatever I want to write. Let's say point of interest, so I will just click done. Then here, if you want it to be in center inside of the rectangular box, you leave it here. Then if you want it to be at the top, you put it here. Then also if you want it to be at the bottom, you put it here. So for me, I prefer it being inside, so I will just leave it at this particular one, which is inside. So I will leave it here. Then here again, if you want it to be at the center, left or right, then you can as well select whichever way you want. So then after that, you now click OK. As you can see, our text has already appeared inside the rectangular box too. So that is how it works. And if you want to change the color of the text and whatever you want to change the color here, you just click here. As you can see, I just selected red, yellow, white. Let's go for black. So that's how you can change it. And if you want to change the whole color here of the rectangular too, you can come here, you click here. As you can see, anything you want to change the color to, any color of your choice, you can change it to the color. So that's how it works. So, and if you want to delete it as well, you highlight it, you come here, you delete. And if you want it to be bold, thin, thicker, whatever you want to change it to, you can come here, you select. So that's how it works. So that's the work of this rectangular toolbox. So I'll go ahead now and delete it. Yeah, it should be deleted. So that's how the rectangular tool works. So let's look for another tool. Another tool we have here is the part tool, We will now go to this pen sign again to look for the 2. So here is the 2, this one, the part 2. So let's see what it is used for. Click on it, it will be highlighted. Then let's say we want to mark this movement, so part 8 to mark this part. So we just say higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is, for me, this is what I use this particular tool for. So I don't know if it is that is another thing it is used for, but for me this is what I like using it for. So I like to use it to mark the direction of the market, such as higher high, higher low, or lower low and lower high. So that is what I use the tool for. So if you want to change the color as well, you can click on it, you highlight it, then you come here to change the color. As you can see, the color is changing. So that is what I use this tool for. And if you want to make it big, small, or thinner, you can select it here. You guys already know how to do it. So, and if you want to change it from straight line to dash dash or dot dot, you can as well do it from here. And let's say this particular place that you selected, you marked it, you don't like this place, that you want to shift it to another zone or another part, you can click on it, then you drag it to anywhere you wish to take it to. So that's what it is used for. So you can as well use it to show the direction in which the market is moving. So that is what it is used for. So if you want to delete it, you go ahead again, you select it, you click on delete. So it will be deleted from your chart. So moving on, let's go back again to look for another tool. Sorry guys. Click on it. Now we scroll. We have the halo marker. You guys already know what halo simply means. It is used to signify or to show a current flow, maybe the place that you are expecting the market to go to, or you want to signify a particular point on a chart or on a candle. So you can as well use this halo to do that. So let's select it. So let's say we want to select this, we want to show this particular zone here. So you can drag, you just tap on your screen, you draw the halo, you drag it to that place. So as you can see, and if you want to change the color as well, you come here, you click here, you change the color to any color of your choice. So that is what the halo is used for. And if you want to add text to it, you guys already know how to do it. You come here, you add your text, you change the color to any color of your choice, and if you want to delete it, you just click here, it should be deleted. So that's how it works. So let's look for another tool. We click here again, and we scroll to search for the tool. So I don't think there is any other important tools here that for me I often use. So for the sake of this video, I'll be ending it here, so that I don't want the video to be too long. So you can as well go through the trading view tools. You just select any one, play around it to know how it works. So that's it guys. Thanks. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys. See you guys later. Bye for now.